Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how you can easily change your bike chain. What it is, I have a bike chain here which has been broken, and what I've done is to buy a new chain. As you can see, still in the sealed with the receipt. Now when you watch my videos, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment to introduce yourself, and don't forget to subscribe. This is the new bike chain. I'm just going to take it out of the packet now. One thing I was concerned about is whether or not this new chain that I've purchased is the same length as the old chain. I'm not too sure. As the new chain, me that I'll be able to replace this chain is that when I went to the bike shop, I did ask the guy inside the shop whether or not if I'd have to adjust the chain if it's a different length, and what he has said to me is that he has never had to adjust a bike chain before. So that's what give me some confidence that this chain will fit perfect. So I'm gonna hope and pray that my assumption is correct. These are the links that should join the chain together, still in the plastic, so I won't worry about this now. What I'm going to try to do is put the chain over the cassette and then take it from there. So firstly, I'm going to put the chain right through here. So you put it from the top on this thing here, then I'm gonna take it under, and once I take it under, I'm gonna take it back around here and then over, up, and I'll put it on the lowest part of the cassette, the chain right over in the right position. So basically it should come over here and join. It should come like this over this bit here and then join together. I'm actually happy with. So what I'm going to look to do now is to use the links to join the chain and then put it over this pedal bit, and then that should be that. These are the links that should join the two ends of the chain together. Right, so basically once the bits that you use to join both chains together, once you put them sort of close together, so where the hole is, you sort of meet both chains in the middle. Then once you stuck it in the groove and then you pull it apart, then it tightens. And it's as simple as that. So all I need to do now is to put this chain over this pedal here, and that should work perfectly. Now let's see if I'm correct. So my new chain is now on the bike. I'm just gonna lift the bike and pedal it and see what happens. Wow, now look at that, really nice. Wow. So feels like a new bike again actually. So again, this is the old chain. You can see it's rusty. The new chain is now on. I didn't realize how simple it was. I hope you have learned something today. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.